Some years ago, visiting the glaciated basins area in the tropical Andes, and while we were discussing about glacier retreat, a farmer, an indigenous person, approached us and said, "What are you going to do about the crying mountains?"
La desaparición de los glaciares ya está afectando a las poblaciones. Y en la región podemos observar también impactos similares en lo que son agua potable, generación de energía eléctrica, agricultura.
People talk about sea level rise, and it is difficult for people to picture it. For every 3 millimeter rise in the sea level, that translates to damage inland of 1,000 times.
If sea level rises by 1 meter, the economic consequences for the region will be of at least $300 billion by 2050.
Corals, in a global sense, is only about 0.02% of the ocean surface, but it contributes 25% of the fish life in the world. The sea temperature is at a level where any further increase will increase the amount of coral bleaching and mortality.
There is a very clear and strong relationship between higher temperatures and the intensification of extreme weather events, including floods, droughts, hurricanes.
When a drainage system is designed to handle 1.5 inches of rainfall in 24 hours, and you get 9 inches of rainfall in 24 hours. It destroys our agriculture, it affects people's livelihood, it affects our tourism product or resources.
A agricultura é, talvez, o setor econômico mais vulnerável às mudanças climáticas. O clima muda, o lugar onde você tem as condições climáticas para o desenvolvimento ótimo de uma cultura agrícola muda com o clima. Então, em pouquíssimos 7 anos, nós tivemos as 2 mais intensas secas, as 2 mais intensas cheias da Amazônia. A floresta amazônica não terá a condição de sobreviver em toda a sua plenitude, em toda a sua extensão, com um clima muito mais quente. Vários estudos indicam que haverá uma redução entre 30% e 50% da extensão da floresta amazônica e muitas áreas, principalmente o sul e o sudeste da Amazônia, serão substituídos por savanas tropicais.
We need to invest in adaptation today. For every dollar that we invest in adaptation today, we'll avoid between $5 and $10 spent on damages in the future.
We are not standing by idly waiting for help to come from outside. We are doing our own monitoring. We are making changes in our policies so that at least we can put some form of adaptations in place.
Nós temos que rapidamente tornar a agricultura brasileira mais resiliente, mais resistente às mudanças climáticas em curso.
We are fixing the conservancy dams. We are focusing on building institutional capacity to better manage water.
To address this global problem, we need the global community to be engaged. We need institutions and nations to agree on a common global framework. But there is an even more important element, and that is we need to adjust our behavior, our pattern of consumption for a more sustainable future.